Oh, hi guys. It's been hot and humid this week, but we got some progress going on the sawmill. Alright, we got the covers trimmed out a little bit better. Everything's bolted on there. The guides have been shimmed down 1/4 inch from where they were fabricated to, so they'll put some downward pressure on the blade. Got the water tank mounted up, but have not put any plumbing to it yet to put the water feed on the blade. Got the electrical system wired in. It's going to need some loom put on it, something to hold it up in place, but otherwise that is complete and should function. Got a dummy gas tank set over there that I've used to test fire the engine with before, but we'll use that to try running things on. Made a handle for the tensioner. And got the detents drilled, and there's a ball in there that catches those detents and holds it in place. Well, the muffler came out pretty well. It's actually pretty quiet. So we're getting down to the point where we need to find out if this thing works before we do too much more to close it up. Problem is that we're here and the trees are out in the mountain, which is about 400 miles away. We need to figure out what we're going to do to test this thing out. You know, a local tree service has helped us out in the Department of Test Material. So we picked this up yesterday.
That's a fine one up there. That one will work. You want that one? Yeah. Oh. Yes.
It looks like we got about 17 inches on this end. Got lots of little branches on it that I trimmed off, so it's going to be a pretty knotty piece of wood. And we're down to about 14 inches on this end. So I guess if you're going to run a test, you might as well run a actual full-size log through it. Now the problem is getting it from here back to here. Alright, we got a set of forks here. And we got a skid loader out on the mountain.
Got a log on the trailer.
And here we are wrestling a log. Another little project in the works. I don't know about the rest of you, but a while back when I started this project, I realized I was going to need a cant hook. For some reason, the price of cant hooks has doubled and tripled, and in many places they're not even available right now. Since the lumber has gone ballistic, everybody's decided to start getting into the milling industry. And so I cut off a couple of pieces of scrap material, and we're going to weld this together and turn it into one heavy-duty cant hook. Got the parts of the cant hook welded together, and made the other supporting parts, the plates for the hook. There's going to be a roll pin in here to stop forward movement of it. So we'll get these parts put together and welded onto this piece of tube right here. I made it 72 inches long, so the whole thing's probably going to weigh like 10 pounds, which would be ridiculous for using in a lot of cases, but I can always get a smaller one for manipulating things around the mill, but when you need to move larger logs around, it's just going to be easier to have the leverage. Okay, I know some of you guys are laughing right now because I didn't put the stops in before I loaded the log. Okay, I gotta get the blade guides adjusted. All right, first time that the blades touched any wood. Until I come up with something to lay across these rails. This is going to be my toe board setup. Take care of this smaller end of the log. Yep, go ahead. Just push the bottom in all the way and then clamp it.
How far do you clamp?
Just pull it down. There you go.
Good enough?
Yep. Well, the sun's going down in these parts. The mill successfully turned one log into some lumber. And this is just playing around, but bunch of cuts later and we got a pile of wood. So that's what it was made for, and it looks like successful. Next thing would be do a couple little minor things to it, a couple little accessory items, and get some paint on it, and then get it hauled out to Spencer's Mountain. So special thanks to all you guys for subscribing. Really appreciate it, and it'll keep you in the loop so you can see more of what's going on. This has been a lot of fun, and there's a whole lot more to go.